smoked teriyaki salmon. Kyle, Your Behind BBQ. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe. We got all kinds of cool recipes we do. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we're gonna knock out this teriyaki salmon that you are gonna absolutely love. And then I'm gonna show you a cool trick at the end to really give it a pop. All right, so we're gonna start off with our fresh salmon, never frozen. I always want the fresh stuff. I don't like the frozen. I think it smells weird. As you can see here, how beautiful that is. Nice little fillet. All right, let's get this out of here. Boom. All right, I'm gonna lay her down on the cutting board. And then I'm just gonna kind of feel to make sure there's no bones or anything sticking out or anything that I wouldn't eat, I would take off. But other than that, it's trimmed pretty well. So what we're gonna do for this recipe is we're going to start out with our best teriyaki sauce there is on the market. Please try to prove me wrong, but it's the very teriyaki. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a small little amount on top. Now you could do this overnight, but I'm in a pinch, so I'm not gonna do it overnight. Boom. So we're gonna do that. Then just brush it in, brush it in. Okay. Now we are going to use Your Behind BBQ's hot honey garlic rub. You can use any type of rub you like. This is just my favorite, and I will do a thick coat on top of the salmon. Layer it. Salmon, how do we say it? What's the appropriate word? Salmon. Right on top of the salmon. Season that, boom. Now we are going to let it sit. Now, how long you want to let it sit? I do it for however long it takes me to fire up the grill. So we're gonna fire up the grill, I'm gonna get it to 300. Once it's at 300 ready to go, then we're gonna throw the fish on. So let's go fire it up. All right, smoker's been fired up. It's at 300 degrees. I'm gonna get me a little cooling rack and we're gonna spray this with Pam because we don't want the skin sticking. Spray that sucker down. Now, we are going to transfer the salmon. Woohoo, smells so dang good. Boom, to here. Now we're gonna take it to the grill. All right, we got the Green Mountain Grill fired up. She's at 300 degrees. It's hot as hell outside. So I wanted to cook something quick, easy for dinner tonight. I just got made fun of inside because I called it salmon. He says you say it salmon. So how do you say it? Drop me a comment below and let me know how you say it. Salmon or salmon? All right, let's throw this sucker on, 300 degrees. And we will come back and check it in about 45 minutes. All right, salmon's on, it's still rolling. We're gonna add a little topping to it. Once we get close, we're gonna use a couple tablespoons of regular honey. And then we are going to add our Arizona Cajun rub. A couple tablespoons of that, about half and half. Boom. Mix this up. Now salmon is done at 145. So once it hits 130, I'm gonna top it with this honey. Let it kind of soak in and glaze. And then we're gonna pull it at 140 and let it rest. All right, it's been 40 minutes. Let's check the temp of this salmon. Get the handy dandy thermopen out. 134, 132. I like to probe it in 3 different spots because, you know, one end's going to be thin, one end's going to be thick, but I'm going to go off the thick part. Perfect, 130. So now we are going to get our little Cajun honey mixture and we are going to glaze the top of this salmon. Remember, 145 it's done. So I'm going to let this glaze for 10 minutes. I'm going to pull it off and we're going to let this bad boy rest. Oh man, this smells good. All right. Boom. She's glazed. 10 minutes, and we are going to let it roll. Woo-hoo. Damn, that smells good. All right, salmon is now complete. It's done. It's ready to roll. So what we're gonna do, presentation. We're gonna put this on a nice little cutting board. Bam. This sucker smells so dang good. We got some sesame seeds we're gonna put on top. Sprinkle a little bit. Oh yeah, she's nice and glazed. Sprinkle that up. Bam. Okay. Now we're gonna throw a little green onion on it. Ooh. Green onion. Small amount of green onion. Bam. Now, last thing to do, taste test. The teriyaki, the Cajun, the garlic. Damn. I can't stop eating it. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.